Jodhpur, where every gust of wind carries tales as rich as its culture. And amidst this vibrant city, a hair care revolution was quietly woven. In a humble kitchen, we found the perfect blend of tradition and innovation, drawing inspiration from the ingredients on kitchen shelf. Years of wisdom and knowledge, flowing like a river through the pages of ancient Ayurvedic scriptures, now distilled into Ayurveda. Our products are infused with the pure essence of nature, keeping your hair as fresh and lively as a mountain stream. Feel the transformation with every drop, because your hair deserves nothing less than a symphony of nature and science. Ayurveda, a legacy of healing, a fusion of ancient wisdom and contemporary science.